to see me fair maid, so pleasant as could be. I arrived at her flat at around 3:30. Well, she staggered out from the back, dark rum by her side. She poured me up a shot, now throw it back, she cried. So raise your glasses high, raise them up into the sky. Drink whatever's left in your glass. Sociable! Raise your glasses high, here's a toast to you and I. Drink whatever's left in your glass. We staggered down to George Street, I scarce know what to do. Might as well head to Bridie's and have a pint or two. I looked around at all me friends and they looked back at me. I says, hey, you filthy buggers, won't you have a drink with me? So raise your glasses high, raise them up into the sky. Drink whatever's left in your glass. Sociable! Raise your glasses high, here's a toast to you and I. Drink whatever's left in your glass. Started up a pub crawl, the biggest one in the land, buying rounds left, right and centre, and here's one for the band. We'll have a dance with Stevie Lee to help us pass the time, and at the end of the night, sure, no one's got a dime. So raise your glasses high, raise them up into the sky. Drink whatever's left in your glass. Sociable! Raise your glasses high, here's a toast to you and I. Drink whatever's left in your glass. We wake up in the morning, wherever we fell last night. We're stinking up the place and no alcohol in sight. But now we're up and on the go, we give each other a wink. It's time to get back downtown and have another drink. So raise your glasses high, raise them up into the sky. Drink whatever's left in your glass. Sociable! Raise your glasses high, here's a toast to you and I. Drink whatever's left in your glass. So raise your glasses high, raise them up into the sky. Drink whatever's left in your glass. Sociable! Raise your glasses high, here's a toast to you and I. Drink whatever's